You all, it is Vlogmas day 18. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, we have seven 7 days left. But I am proud to say that I have completed all of my Christmas shopping. I'm waiting for one more item to come in the mail, but I'm not going to see this person on Christmas. So even if it comes late, I'm all good. I'm so proud of myself. I usually don't get stuff done in time. So that said, I do have a couple more. I think this just might be almost, I think I have maybe one or two more things that I purchased with the Black Friday stuff. So we might have a couple more things to go through, but we're getting down to the end of it, and I want to show it to you because one of them I plan to wear on the 20th, is it Friday the 20th? Yeah, Friday is the 20th. Because I have a well-being day from work on Friday. The last time I did this, I did vlog with you all, and I baked cookies. I went for a morning run. I went and got my nails done. I did a lot that day. And I kind of sort of plan to do the same. This 20th, this Friday, I'm going to try to find a workout class to go to because I'm not running in this nasty stuff here in Chicago. It's cold, it's wet. I'm not doing that. And I will find somewhere to go work out. I am still planning on did paint my nails. I haven't painted my own nails in quite some time because I just chip them so easily. So I think I am going to actually go and get my nails done. I'm going to go get a no chip. I'm going to get a pedicure because the last time I got a pedicure was that last well-being day that we had talked about. So I'm going to go and do that. And later that evening, Surround Sound of Fashion is having an industry event, party event. What do I want to call it? It's like a networking industry networking event. That's what I'll call it. From like 8 p.m. to midnight. So I think I am going to be there. I might not. I struggle with going out and being in the streets. So if I have to go alone, I may not go. But if I have friends to go with, then I'll go. That sort of thing. But anyway, the reason why I'm rambling here is because one of these things I kind of sort of think I'm going to wear to that industry event if I go. So let's get into the couple things that I have. I have something here from J. Crew, and right now, as we speak, I can't remember what this is from J. Crew, unfortunately. So I do know what I got from the other place, but this J. Crew I got one item from J. Crew, and it is a skirt. And as you know, or may not know, red was or is a trendy color. So you find a lot more things in red right now. And I don't have anything like this, so I decided to pick it up. As I'm holding it, I'm nervous that it might be too small. It isn't extra small. So this is a sort of a partially sheer skirt. It's a midi skirt, and it's kind of covered here at the mini skirt level, and then down below that, down to the mid thigh past the knees is sheer. So I don't have anything like that. I thought this would be cool to add into my wardrobe. It's sort of a crepey material. I don't know if you can see that texture here as I hold it up close. I don't remember the price. Original or sale is not listed here, so I will have to hopefully put it on the screen. And then the next thing I got is from Old Navy. You guys tell me, when was the last time that you shopped at Old Navy? Because I feel like I shopped at Old Navy within the last year. But if you held my feet to the fire to tell you what it is that I bought, I have no idea. So, but I know I bought one thing, and this one thing that I bought is the thing that thinking I'm going to wear for this industry party because it's just super simple, keeping it classic and simple. I can move around really easily, just hoping the quality is there. But this is a one-piece jumpsuit, and it's thick, thickly lined. It's a bra built in. Now I understand this is probably designed for and intended to be something that you work out in, but I guess who don't care? I don't. So I just want to wear something that I'm comfortable in. I'm going to throw it on with probably a pair of boots and a leather jacket and a whole lot of jewelry, and that'll be my fit for the day. And I'll be able to move around just like I need to. Because when I do go out, like I don't go out very often, but when I do go out, I dance my ass off. And so I need to be wearing something that it's not a skirt that's going to fly up or whatever the case may be, because I dance quite a bit when I go out. I did pick this up in an extra small petite for the length aspect of it. But the extra small is my normal size. I have to put on the screen how much I paid for it, but I feel like this was less than $10. I feel like the same thing for that skirt as well, less than $10. And those are the type of purchases I really like. The ones that are less than $10. All right, so let's get into the last thing, which is our Palais d'été advent calendar. And I've been opening these up diligently and religiously with you all. And I finally did, if you remember on yesterday, day 17, I did finally sip on one of these, and I actually like the tea. As long, you know what I mean, I have to try, step out of my comfort zone and try the herbals and the red and green teas that I normally don't care for. But let's get into this. Let me poke day 18 here. Oh, this is pretty. This is a different thing than the rest of them. It is a grapefruit and lemon peel. That sounds delicious. Oh my goodness. It is a blend of grapefruit and lemon peel that evokes the fresh, acidulous, never heard of that word a day. I am this old and never heard of acidulous atmosphere of a luxurious garden. Okay, this is so cute. All the rest of them have been like this green color. And look at that. All right, so I think it's because we're getting towards the end. These are probably the better ones of the mix as we get closer to Christmas. So now I'm super, super excited about what options we have in here. And I'm going to drink this one actually tonight before bed because this one just sounds so delicious. So you all, I am prepping myself for a holiday party at work. I was voluntold to put it together. So not to be too invasive, I've decided to do a holiday lunch. So it's during work hours. I'm sure the team thanks me for it. I've got some catering ordered. I went and got some Chicago native type of like swag and gifts and stuff to give everybody because we have, I think, enough work swag and things that I know that people will like. And then lastly, for dessert, because it's my favorite, I did pick up a bunch of cool things from Trader Joe's. So that'll be our dessert for lunch. And I'm going to call it, and that's going to be it. We're going to call it. And I have an arts and craft little activity for us to do. I'm like, even though I was voluntold to do it, I am looking forward to it because I put in the work to do it. I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, so that's day 18 in the books. Come back tomorrow for day 19. We got some more tea to look at and some more things to discuss. And one of those things is not going to be my closet organization because I have not started it. And I'm also feeling a little down at the moment because Vlogmas ain't Vlogmassing the way that it should be Vlogmassing. Last year, I told you I had some really great success with Vlogmas, posting every day on all of my socials, putting in the work. But this year is just not really having the same effect and return as it did last year. And last night I was kind of lamenting about it and thinking about it. And I came to the realization there's something very important that I learned many years ago that I just didn't put into practice for this. And that is the same thing that you put in, the same thing that you did to get you to where you are today is not the thing that's going to work to get you to the next level. And so I'm doing exactly what I've done for the last year, thinking that that's what's going to get me to the next level from where I am now. And that's not the case. I did not prepare accurately, and I didn't do the work. So it's my fault, right? I didn't do the work to figure out how I was going to push the envelope and do something outside of the box this year to get me to the next level. So it's my fault. It's my fault. So I'm not trying to blame the world or anything like that, but I was pouty until I remembered that saying and realized I did exactly what I did last year, thinking it was going to get me further, and that's not the case. So anyway, you all, thank you for listening to me babble. Vlogmas just ain't Vlogmas in the way that Vlogmas should be Vlogmasing, but we'll retool for next year's Vlogmas if I'm still around. All right, you all, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Hit the like button. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Walking, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocking, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago.